Hi guys, so how to fix Google Chrome not opening? First thing, go into down here into the search for Chrome like this, click on your right mouse, choose open file location, and then click again on your right mouse, open file location, click on your right mouse here and click on run as administrator. If the problem is not solved yet, then click on troubleshoot compatibility. And if the problem is not solved yet even after you try those two options, then you have to go into the properties, go to compatibility and enable this option and choose Windows 8 and then click apply and OK. After that, click on Chrome and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.